Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohan and you are watching Affiliate Influx. So welcome to the day number 12 of One Funnel Away Challenge, which is a 30-day program, or you can say 30 days challenge to build your own sales funnel. So if you have not watched the earlier videos in this series, please go and watch them because they are super important. And if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to it and press the bell icon to receive all the upcoming updates about these videos. So let's get started with the slides. In day number 12, we will learn how you can create one-time offer. And this will be your OTO1. You can say like one-time offer or OTO1. And tomorrow we will create OTO2 or one-time offer 2. Before that, we have created a flagship framework. We have created one order form bump, and we have also seen members area. So as I said, we are going to create our one-time offer today. So how we are going to create, let's see in the later slides. So this one-time offer, or you can say upsell concept, is not new, but the ways were different. In earlier days, at the initial days of this marketing, people used to enter the credit card information once they buy some product. And once they click on order or something like next, they will be sent to the next page that will be called an upsell page, you can say, and there they will offer some other product, and if you want to buy that product you need to enter the credit card information again. So if you talk about the this picture which I have put in the slides, so there's a DVD. If you want to buy the DVD of how to make potato gun, you can buy that, and once you enter your credit card information, you click on OK, you will be sent to the second page where they will offer a toolkit of this potato gun. And if you want to buy that, you need to enter the credit card information again. So that was the earlier days when the upsell was like that. So what was the main problem here? The problem or the friction was that customer needs to enter the credit card information twice, and that is the hardest part of the sale, because sometimes you put the you when you say that when you see the credit card information, you go and find your credit card, you enter the detail and you keep it there itself. Again, if you go to if you click on OK, and it will go to the second page and you need to enter the credit card information again. So that is kind of a troublesome. So sometimes people say no to it, right? So that was the friction which Russell talked about in today's video or introduction video of day number 12. Now, Russell has shared one very interesting story about this book called 12-month millionaire, and this book is from Vincent James. So Russell came to know about this book around 15 years back or 16 years back. He was preparing for some trip and he came to know about this book. So he wanted this book as soon as possible before he leaves for that trip in the trip for the cruise. And he got that book somehow and he started reading the book. He has completed that book even twice, and once he came back from the trip, he just tried to contact to the author, and he has written down all the question which he wanted to ask to him, and surprisingly author said yes to him, and they have scheduled a call on one Saturday for 3 hours. And after that call is over, Russell has actually recorded all those conversation which he had with the author, and they again went to the call next week for 3 more hours. So now Russell had 6 hours of recording. So Russell has kept this recording with him, and after 1 year or 2 year, I think he was searching for something. He was searching for some product, and then he found this. Then he has used this recording as a product, and he has created that $27 product out of that recording. So he has mentioned that we have a recording of a bestseller book like the 12th month millionaire. We have an interview recorded with the author. Would you like to buy? Please pay $27. And the price of the book, actually it was $297. So what he did, what Russell has done, he has contacted the author again, and he has shipped 1,000 copies of this particular book and in discounted price, and then he has provided this as an upsell. So how was the funnel? Like if someone wants to buy that interview with the author, it is available for $27. But if you want to buy, and in the upsell page, they have provided this as an offer like 297. Would you like to buy this book as a one-time offer? You are getting that in that this much price. So this was the funnel he has used, and has made a huge money out of this funnel. So you can say like you never know what can be your product and how you can do upsell. There are different things which is related to your product which you can create as a one time offer, or you can say like first you can create your $7 offer, then you can go for $29 offer. So we will understand this in later slides. So how you can plan your upsell? So first thing which is very important is your $7 product. If you remember, we have talked about this product in earlier videos, that you need to select one of the framework, one of the sexiest framework out of those all the frameworks, or you can say out of all core results, you need to select one core result that you can present as a $7 offer, right? The thing is like you should have that offer in such a way that price is very low and value is very high. So if you can say this, if you can see this green arrow, the price should be very low and the value should be very high. So it should be an irresistible offer, so nobody can ignore it. So they will buy this thing, they will buy this thing, and then they will send to the next page, that will be upsell page. So in upsell page you can offer some product which is $149, or which will be higher price than the our $7 product, right? So once they are ready, they cannot deny, because once they have already put the details of credit card, and they have made a, I mean, they have put the details of credit card, and now they have sent to the second page. So it is very easy for them to select yes, because they only need to click on one button and their order will be placed. So you can say like out of 100, maybe 20% people can select that product. Out of 100, maybe 20% or 20 people will buy that upsell product, right? So this is how you need to plan your upsell. The first offer should be very interesting, or you can say very attractive. So it should be a no-brainer offer. No one should reject it. People should see it as a no-brainer offer. People should buy it. People will buy it, and then once they enter the credit card information, they will go to the second page. They have created 100 visitor test, and that test they have provided $149 product in the first place, and upsell was 7%. So what they have seen, what they have noticed, that only 2% of the people out of 100, they bought that 149 product, $149 product, and out of that 2%, only 20% of people they buy the upsell. So what do you get from it? Like if the product is very high at the first place, if you are offering someone a product of $149, it is very hard to get the deal. And out of that, the upsell is 20%. It doesn't mean like 20% means what, two? So 2%, so 20% of two, how much it will be? It will be not even one, right? It will be only 0.4. So only 0.4 people, you can say like 20% people bought $7 product. It is almost nothing. So you can say if you are selling $149 product and 2% people are getting it, I mean buying it, so it will be, you will be getting approximately $300, because this $7 product, I mean it has nothing to do with this, because it is only 0.4, even not 1% or one people has bought it. So we can say like from this deal they have got around $300 sale. But when they flipped the thing, like when they offered the $7 product, so value was low, I mean the price was low, but the value was so high. They have provided this offer, and it was irresistible. So people bought, in like 15% people bought that $7 product. So out of 100, 15 people buy that $7 product, and out of that 15, 20% people bought that upsell product of $149, right? So out of 15, that 3 people bought $149 product. So by this, total sale was around $552. So you can see it is very easy to sell the product which is of cheaper rate but higher value. and then you can do upsell, because once people has entered the credit card information, they need to only click on one button and they can make a sale. And if the offer is irresistible, as I said, if you provide the good offer, people will definitely buy from you. So this is the concept of 100 visitor test, and you also need to create your offer in such a way that the first offer should be irresistible, and in the second upsell you can provide the other product. So if you remember, we have talked about this flagship framework in earlier videos, and here we have one framework which we can deliver in a form of video. We can create a 5-minute video which you can provide free of cost, and you can also create 60-minute video of out of that 5 minute in build detail. Then this will be your $7 product, and if you create each module for 1 hour, then it will be like 6 modules, and every module will be for 60 minutes. Then you can sell it as your 97 or $297 product. And if someone wants to have that done for you offer, you can charge more. So the same way, you have already selected one flagship framework. Now you have one product, and now you want to upsell that thing. So you need to create that 60 minutes module to give it as a one-time offer, right? So this is how we need to create our one-time offer. So here, just suppose, as I said, like there you have one $7 product already. You have that $7 product, and in that product you have, suppose, different things like 6 7 8 things you will tell about your product or your services, right? But if you want to have that upsell, what you will do, you can say like you have detailed version of your previous product, that is $7 product. You have a detailed version of that, and if you want to buy, then please buy it at $297. And that $297 you will get, like, suppose these are the frameworks, 1 2 3 4 5, you have these steps, and in $7 product you have only talked about them in very brief. But in $297 product you have already created 1 hour video of that one liner, or you can say out of your. Don't be stressed out, because don't think like you need to create all those modules of 60 minutes at once. You just start promoting your product, and you can create first or second module. And once you see like, okay, people are really buying it, people are interested, then you can create module number 3 4 and 5 later on in detail. Because sometimes it happens, suppose if you think like, okay, once I will create all my 6 modules in detail, then only I will sell my product. So there can be two things. One thing is you can take a lot of time, and maybe you will not complete the whole thing, and you will be dissatisfied with that, and maybe you can leave that thing. Or if you have prepared everything like all 6 modules, and if people are not buying it, so what will you do with that, right? So better thing will be you just start creating your modules in details for your one-time offer, and once people are subscribing for it, they are signing up for it, you can create that thing in 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks. So you have enough time. So this is all about day number 12, and it was super important. So it has given you the idea how you can create your one-time offer. So this is all about day number 12. And if so, whatever I am telling you, it is just a brief of whatever Russell tells us in the video of one funnel away challenge. If you have some online business or consultancy, or if you want to become an affiliate marketer, I would suggest you to go and join one funnel away challenge. Link is in the description, and if you buy from my product, to sign up from my affiliate link, I will give you some bonuses, some exciting bonuses. So please go and sign up for this and do this 30 days program, and you will get a lifetime support from my end. So this is all about today. I will see you tomorrow.